Hey guys, it's Kate from Crafting with Kate, and I am getting ready to prep some cups, and I thought I would jump on real quick and show you something that I've learned over time. So maybe I can save you some time and some frustrations. So what I do is to prep the cups, depending upon the glitter that I'm using, I try to match it. If it's a really light glitter, then I just start with a white base. And it just gives a truer color to the glitter, and it makes a nice surface to bond the glitter to. So that's something that I do. What I used to use was the Krylon Color Master. I'll show you. And I chose it because it was inexpensive, and look, you get 25% more. And this was something that I definitely used for a long time. The problem with it is that it takes multiple coats. I'm talking like, in order to get a nice solid coat, you need probably 4 coats. And that takes dry time in between. And it's really tough for me because, I live in the Northeast, and if it's cold out, you really can't do the spray painting outside in the winter when it's snowing. And so it just makes it very challenging. What I discovered once when this was, they were out of this at the store, and I picked up this. Now this is Rustoleum, so it's a different brand, but it's 2 times Ultra Cover paint and primer. Literally, this is 1 coat. So while, yeah, this, you can look at the spray paint bottles, this one is much more, and you think that you're getting more value for your money, you have to use 4 times as much. Whereas this one not only saves you time, but you get coverage in 1 coat. So I will show you real quick, and I won't waste this, so like eventually I will use this one, but I'll show you so that you can see that is 1 coat. Now if you put it on too thick, you're going to get some runs. I'm going to turn it around to the back, and I'll show you. Come on, keep going. There we go. That's 1 coat. So there's 1 coat. And there's 1 coat. So what I will do is we'll just start here. It's a little hard to spray paint when you can't really see with the camera. I don't know if I'm that talented. I got a little bit of a run happening there. I'll sand that smooth once it dries. There you go. And then in 10 minutes, my cup is coated. I've got a nice satin finish, and I don't have to worry about trying to keep continuing the coverage in order to cover the whole cup. So hopefully that will help you. Once again, this is the one that I recommend. Rustoleum 2 times Ultra Cover. Even in the colors, this is the only one that I get now. And I will use up what I have, of course, but if I have to go buy a color, that's definitely the product I get. Hope you have a great night. I'm going to get back to spray painting.